Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Target Corporation, full guide step by step clearly. To scale Target Corporation effectively, start by analyzing the current market landscape. Assess Target's position in relation to competitors. Identify key strengths and weaknesses within the organization. Explore potential markets for expansion, both geographically and demographically. Conduct thorough research on customer preferences and shopping behaviors. Leverage data analytics to gain insights into sales trends and inventory management. Enhance online presence through an improved e-commerce platform. Focus on integrating technology into the shopping experience. Develop partnerships with local suppliers to boost sustainability and support community businesses. Streamline supply chain operations to reduce costs and improve delivery times. Implement personalized marketing strategies to engage customers on multiple platforms. Invest in employee training programs to enhance customer service skills. Foster a culture of innovation within the organization to encourage new ideas. Utilize social media for real-time engagement and to address customer feedback promptly. Experiment with new store formats and layouts based on consumer shopping habits. Expand private label offerings to differentiate products and increase margins. Monitor key performance indicators regularly to measure growth and identify areas for improvement. Maintain clear communication with stakeholders about growth strategies and progress. Stay adaptable and be ready to pivot based on changing market conditions. Evaluate partnerships and collaborations that could enhance brand visibility. Continuously gather and analyze customer feedback to refine products and services. Commit to community engagement and corporate responsibility initiatives. Allocate resources strategically to bolster both marketing and operational efforts. Harness the power of storytelling and branding to resonate with consumers on an emotional level. Lastly, regularly review and adjust the scaling strategy based on performance metrics and consumer trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.